for you as well. The basic requirements for this course are that you should be able to operate a personal computer. That means you should be able to launch or open applications, close applications. You should be able to create files, save files, delete files, navigate between the folders in your computer. A few things about the course. I recommend that you practice while you're watching these lessons. This course has been developed to be as simple as possible because it's targeting beginners who have no exposure to Excel, and so there would be a lot of detailed step-by-step instructions in the course. I also explain concepts that are related to what we will be learning in Excel because I believe by knowing some of those concepts, you'll be able to understand things better and apply them in a better way. We will be working with practical examples because I believe that that'll help you to apply what you're learning to real world situations. A little bit about me. I have more than 11 years of experience using Microsoft Excel. I have experience leading data analysts and managers in large corporations to do reporting and analysis of data in the business intelligence space. My goal is to empower people to make smarter decisions by leveraging the power of computers and software that's available. I also enjoy sharing information I know, and during the process of sharing, I also get to learn a lot of new things. So that's why I'm doing this course to share information that I know about Excel and also during this process, learn more about it. So what is Excel? It is a spreadsheet software application or program. It is created by a company called Microsoft. It is one of the applications that's available in the Microsoft Office bundle that Microsoft sells. So you could purchase Excel separately as a standalone product, or you could also purchase it as part of the Office bundle. From 1985, Microsoft has been releasing new versions of Excel every few years. There are different versions for Windows operating system and Mac operating system. And there are also different flavors depending on the region where in the world you're buying this product. The latest versions that are available are Excel 2013 for Windows and Excel 2011 for Mac. Most commonly used versions as of now are Excel 2007, Excel 2010, and Excel 2013. There are still people who use Excel 2003, but over time, everybody is migrating over to the new versions. And so 2007, 2010, and 2013 are the most commonly used Windows versions today. In this course, I will be using Excel 2010, and I have a Windows 7 operating system in my computer. Excel user interface may differ slightly between the different versions of Excel, but the general concepts apply to all the versions. If you're using 2003 or earlier versions of Excel, the interface may be very different. Microsoft made a significant change beginning in 2007 version. So if you're using prior to 2007, the interface may be very different. But once again, if you're using 2007, 2010, or 2013 versions of Excel, then you should be able to follow the course without any problems. Why should anyone be learning Excel? Excel is one of the most widely used software in the world. It is used in companies of all sizes. Not only in companies, Excel can also be used at home to perform a variety of tasks better and more efficiently. Learning Excel increases your chances of employment significantly because Excel is consistently among the top skills that companies look for based on a lot of different surveys. Excel is not only used in specific professions, it's actually being used in a variety of disciplines. Almost all professionals use Excel in one form or the other. Professionals in the field of databases and data analysis absolutely need Microsoft Excel. Professionals from other fields also need to know at least the basics of Excel because in most companies, certain types of information are shared between employees within the company using Microsoft Excel. So if you are a professional in any other field, you may still be actually dealing with Excel documents. So knowing the basics of Excel would help you perform better in your job. Before we begin the actual content of the course, I just wanted to summarize the key capabilities of Microsoft Excel. Excel is used to enter and store data or information. Excel is capable of manipulating the data available. It is great for performing calculations, whether they are simple or complex. Excel can help to display the data visually in a variety of ways. Excel is also great in sharing the data that we have. In the upcoming videos, we will be using practical examples to illustrate these capabilities of Excel and more.